Hello everyone and welcome to our trivia night. I'm excited to have you all here and ready to test your knowledge. We'll be playing a 10-question quiz tonight, with 10 seconds to answer each question. It's going to be a fast-paced challenge, so get ready. After we finish the quiz, we will review the correct answers so you can see how well you did. So, are you ready to get started? Let's see how many questions you can answer correctly. And be sure to share your scores in the comments below. Alright, let's begin with our first question. Question number 1. Which African country was formerly known as Zaire? A. Angola. B. Tanzania. C. Democratic Republic of Congo. Democratic Republic of Congo. Question number 2. What ocean lies to the west of Africa? A. Indian Ocean. B. Southern Ocean. C. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Question number 3. What is the national anthem of France? A. La Marseillaise. B. God Save the Queen. C. O Canada. La Marseillaise. Question number 4. What is the name of the deepest part of the ocean? A. Challenger Deep. B. Mariana Trench. C. Puerto Rico Trench. Challenger Deep. Question number 5. In what year was the Berlin Wall destroyed? A. 1989. B. 1991. C. 1993. (1989). Question number 6. Which Shakespeare play features the line "to be or not to be"? A. Hamlet. B. Macbeth. C. Romeo and Juliet. Hamlet. Question number 7. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. O. B. Ag. C. Gu. O. Question number 8. Who was the Greek goddess of love and beauty? A. Aphrodite. B. Athena. C. Artemis. Aphrodite. Question number 9. What is the official language of Brazil? A. Portuguese. B. Spanish. C. English. Portuguese. Question number 10. Which river flows through London? A. Thames. B. Seine. C. Danube. Thames. Well done. You've completed the 10 multiple choice questions. Let's review the answers. Question number 1. Which African country was formerly known as Zaire? The correct answer is Democratic Republic of Congo. Zaire was the name of the country from 1971 until 1997, when it was changed back to its original name of Democratic Republic of Congo. Question number 2. What ocean lies to the west of Africa? The correct answer is Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is located to the west of Africa, separating it from the Americas. Question number 3. What is the national anthem of France? The correct answer is La Marseillaise. La Marseillaise is the national anthem of France. It was written in 1792 and has been the country's anthem since 1795. Question number 4. What is the name of the deepest part of the ocean? The correct answer is Challenger Deep. Challenger Deep is located in the Mariana Trench and is the deepest part of the ocean, reaching a depth of almost 11 kilometers. Question number 5. In what year was the Berlin Wall destroyed? The correct answer is 1989. The Berlin Wall, which separated East and West Germany, was destroyed in 1989, leading to the reunification of Germany. Question number 6. Which Shakespeare play features the line "to be or not to be"? The correct answer is Hamlet. The famous line "to be or not to be" is from the play Hamlet, one of Shakespeare's most famous works. Question number 7. What is the chemical symbol for gold? The correct answer is O. The chemical symbol for gold is O, which comes from the Latin word for gold, aurum. Question number 8. Who was the Greek goddess of love and beauty? The correct answer is Aphrodite. Aphrodite was the Greek goddess of love, beauty, pleasure, and procreation. Question number 9. What is the official language of Brazil? The correct answer is Portuguese. Portuguese is the official language of Brazil and is spoken by the majority of the population. Question number 10. Which river flows through London? The correct answer is Thames. The River Thames flows through London, the capital city of England. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun answering these trivia questions and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more fun quizzes and trivia challenges. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you have any suggestions for future videos or topics you'd like to see covered, please let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from my viewers and want to make sure I'm creating content that you enjoy. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.